On the journey to your life's highway, keep your eyes upon your goal. Focus on the donut, not upon the hole. So with this beautiful hope, here it's me, your friend Sapna Raghuvanshi. Welcome you all to my channel, and hope guys you must be doing well in your life with your fantastic English practice. And here in this video, I'm gonna share a very short and motivational English story. This will be definitely helping you to improve your English, and also you will be taking interest in this. But for that you have to watch my video till the very end. So my dear friends, try to stay tuned with me. So once upon a time there was an old sage was teaching the art of archery to his disciple. He had two disciples. So one day he put a wooden bird as a target and said to his disciple to aim the eye of the bird. So firstly he asked to his first disciple that what he could see, explain the things. So he replied, means disciple replied, that I can see tree, branches, leaves, birds and its eyes. So the sage said, okay, hold on, and means wait for a minute. And then he turned to the next second disciple and asked the same thing. Means second disciple was also asked the same question, and he replied that I can see only the eye of the bird. So the sage said, very good, now shoot. So he just shoot, and he achieved his target. Means he shoot the eye of the bird. The arrow went straight at the eye of the bird. So the story signifies only one thing, that unless you focus on your goal, you will not going to achieve it. So literally, if you want to achieve your goal, my dear friends, in your life, whatever it is, so for that you need to be concentrate, you need to be focused like second disciple, not like first disciple. As the first disciple was distracted by the other thing. And also always remember one thing, that the real growth begins with the concentration, not with the distraction that we are facing outside and we are facing in our surrounding. So literally, if you want to achieve your goal and to reach your full potential, your destination, so for that you need to avoid the distraction and you need to only focus. You need to keep your eyes only on your goal, not upon the other things. So my dear friends, this was my motivational story. In this way you can also narrate the story and speak English, practice English like me. And one more thing I want to add here, as we all are here for speaking English, for learning English as a communication skill. So don't forget to apply repetition method, because this is the fantastic way to improve English and to get our English improved and escalate over time. Because you know, earlier I was just doing these things a lot, and nowadays I'm not doing, just because I'm so much indulged in my school work and always I'm giving my time to that. That's why I'm not following my repetition method. So I want you to do the things. If you are also on the track of learning English, so please don't forget to apply this method on daily basis. Repetition means whatever you are learning, whatever you are listening, reading, try to repeat it multiple times so that it will be getting registered in your mind for always. So my dear lovely friends, let me say bye. Enjoy your day, enjoy your English.